Good day everyone and welcome back to Money Pocket Academy. Let's do a quick Binance tutorials. If you are a beginner or you are new to that of the Binance Exchange or you have already been using the Binance Exchange for a while now, this video is going to guide you on how to navigate your ways on the Binance Exchange and use it as a pro. So after you registering, make sure you log into your Binance app and you'll be having this interface if it's not your first time. But if it's your first time, you may not be having this interface. They'll be giving you the light version. So if you want to have the pro version like this, just make sure you click on this menu at the top here. And after clicking on it, it will give you the chance to switch from that of the light version to the pro version. All right. And after switching, you'll be having this wonderful interface. If today is your first time visiting my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos pertaining to cryptocurrency and any good project out there, you'll be the first person to get it. All right. So after logging into your account and you're having the pro version, we are having 5 segments of the Binance app, which the first one is that of the home option. We are having market. The third one is trade. Fourth one is features, and the last one we are having here is that of the wallet. Okay, so we'll be taking them one after the other to see how to use them or to your own advantage. All right, so when you come to the home page, this is one of the things you see. The first thing you see right here is the search bar. The search bar helps you to search for any crypto which is listed on the Binance app. And next to it, you'll be seeing the scan option. The scanner helps you to scan for any QR code. So far as it's compatible to that of the Binance Exchange, you are good to go. It will be working perfectly. And just beside that one, we'll be seeing that of the um, support service over there. And the support service helps you to contact the Binance core team for any assistance. And also you'll be having the notification panel just beside that one. And beside the notification bar, you'll be seeing that of the Binance Pay over here. All right. So the Binance Pay, this is what is basically used for. If you're having a friend who is using Binance and the friend wants to send you crypto on the Binance exchange, the only thing you have to do is just come to Binance Pay, copy your Binance Pay ID, send it to the friend, and the friend will send you your crypto through the Binance Pay without charges. All right. So this advantage for those who are using Binance. If you're having a friend using Binance, you can transact between you and your friend without any charges using the Binance Pay. All right, so let's come to the main interface and see some of the features of the Binance app. All right, so when you come to the home, you'll be seeing this total value over here, the total balance of your crypto you are having on the Binance exchange. So this menu will display all the coins value you're having in your Binance exchange, and you'll be having its value right here. And beside that one, you'll be seeing the deposit menu over here. And the deposit menu means how to receive crypto on your Binance wallet. All right. So when you come here, click on that of the deposit, and you'll be seeing the means you can deposit crypto to your Binance wallet on the Binance exchange. So the first one you'll be seeing right here is that of the Binance P2P trading platform. All right. So when you come to the Binance P2P platform, you'll be able to buy coins from other people who are selling their crypto in exchange of fiat. All right. So if you don't know how to use the Binance P2P to buy any crypto of your own choice, I've already prepared a video on my channel which will guide you on how to buy any crypto of your own choice on the Binance exchange. So when you come to Money Pocket Academy, my channel, just scroll down among the videos and you see this video right here which I have made to guide you on how to buy crypto using Momo or any other means on the Binance exchange using the P2P platform. All right, when you come here, you'll be seeing also that of the deposit menu over here. This deposit menu helps you to deposit crypto or buy crypto using your credit card. All right, so if you're having Visa, which is compatible to that of the Binance trading app, you can use it to buy crypto into your own wallet. And just at the down here, we are having that of the deposit crypto. So assuming you are having any crypto in your own wallet, maybe you are using MetaMask, you're having crypto over there, maybe you're using Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet, you're having crypto over there, you can transfer them to Binance using that of the deposit crypto menu, which will give you the opportunity to get the receiver's contract address of the specific crypto you are sending, and you are good to go. Assuming you're having any crypto on a different exchange, let's say Mex Exchange or Hobby Exchange, you can use this deposit crypto menu to deposit crypto from that your previous wallet to this your Binance exchange, and you receive your coin right here. All right. So let's go back to that of the main menu and see some of the features. So when you come here, you'll be seeing that of the favorites, you see hot, you see gainers, you see losers, and you see that of the new listing. When it comes to that of the favorite, there are some of the coins you have bookmarked to be having a look at them. Maybe you bought those coins and you want to be monitoring them, you can see them right over there. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to get it. And do not forget to share this video with your friends who are new to cryptocurrency or new to the Binance exchange to be able to have a feel and know how to use the Binance exchange on their own. All right, so when you come to the hot means some of the coins that are being traded currently on the Binance exchange, which are making wave on the Binance exchange. And when you come to that of the gainers are some of the coins that are making massive profits, or they are rising up, their price is going up on the Binance exchange within a space of 24 hours. All right. And when you come to that of the losers are some of the coins which are not really performing within a space of 24 hours on the Binance exchange. When you come to that of new listing talks about coins that are currently added to that of the Binance exchange, which means these coins were not previously on the Binance exchange, but recently they have added them to that of the Binance exchange, and you can trade them on the Binance exchange. All right. So let's come to that of the market section at the down here. So let's click on market and see some of the things we'll be having. So when you come to that of the market section, you'll be having the currency pairs you can trade over here. All right. So when you take USDT, you give you all the currencies you can trade against the USDT pair. All right. And when you take FUSD to give you all the currencies you can trade against FDUSD. When you take TUSD, it will give you all the currencies you can trade against TUSD. And that's the market aspect. So all the coins listed on the Binance exchange at the market section. So far as you search for them, you get it. So you can also use the search bar over here to search for the coin you prefer. So let's move on to that of the trade option and see what the trade entails. So I'll be teaching how to use the trade option right here, and please stay tuned with me. All right. So this place is a little bit technical, which confuses people always. So they don't want to even vet into cryptocurrency, which is one of the simplest means to use that of the Binance exchange. All right. So when you come here, when you are trading, it's either you buy or you sell. In the traditional sense of trading, we know that trading basically goes with either selling or buying. So if you come to the Binance trade option, you are either selling a coin or you are either buying. So it's either you sell or you buy. All right. So this is how you sell and buy on the Binance exchange. Assuming you want to buy a coin, this is where the coins are listed. All right. So you can decide to search for the coin over here. So make sure you click on that of this menu, and to give you the opportunity to search for any coin you prefer. So assuming I prefer searching for, let's say, a coin called XLM. So I click on XLM, I search for XLM, and it will give me the opportunity to either sell it or buy it. All right. So if I prefer to buy SLM, I just have to come here. Remember, we are having different limit orders here. So if you click on the limit orders, you'll be having limit, you'll be having market, you'll be having stop limit, trailing stop, and you're having OCO. All right. So if you want to currently buy it into your wallet, you have to click on that of the market and not the limit. If you select limit means you have a specific price target you are hoping the price of the coin you are selecting will hit before you should buy it for you. But if you wanted to buy it currently or instantly, you have to select that of the market order and you are good to go. So when you select the market order, the minimum of USDT you need to have to buy on the trade option is 5 USDT. So if you're having 5 USDT, you can use the trade option. All right. So you just impute $5 and above, and you can buy your coin on the trade option. All right. So if you want to buy, just impute any amount above $5 or 5 USDT and you are good to go, and you'll be able to buy. Just click on buy XLM and it will buy your coin for you. Or if you want to sell your coin, assuming you're having XLM, you want to sell it. Remember, this sell is doesn't mean you are selling the coin to your local currency, all right? It means you are selling it from XLM to USDT. It means you are selling it against the stable coin, all right? So if I want to sell SLM, it will ask me the amount I want to sell and I have to impute it right here, all right? So if I impute the amount I want to sell, it will sell it from SLM to USDT, which is a stable coin for me. All right. So if I click on the amount I prefer to sell, maybe I want to use the market order. If you want to use limit order means you are expecting a specific price target for the price to hit before you sell it. All right. So since I want to sell it currently, I have to come to market order and click on that of the market and impute the total amount I want to sell, and I'm good to go. So if I want to sell 20%, 100%, 70% of my SLM, I can drag it over here and it will allocate that amount of SLM I want to sell. And the only thing I have to do is to click on sell, and I'll be having USDT in my wallet. If you are confused about the whole thing, just make sure you watch this video over and over again and you get the understanding about that of the trade option. All right. if you're having your USDT which is less than $5 and you want to buy a coin by all costs, there's no need to worry. There's an option provided for you here which will send you to that of the convert option. Okay, so when you come to the convert option, it helps you to convert little amount of coins to a different coin. All right, so if you're having, let's say, 2 USDT which you can use at the trade option, just make sure you click on the convert and it will convert your 2 USDT to the coin you prefer. Assuming I'm converting it to SLM, I can convert 2 USDT to SLM at the convert menu. So afterwards, let's move on to that of the features aspect. All right, so when it comes to the features aspect, it deals with technical analysis and your understanding of the market. All right. So if you understand the market and you have analyzed everything and you think the market will be going up, you place for that of buy or long, and when you make profit, you withdraw your profit. Or when you analyze and you think the market is going for short or is going down, then you place for sell, and when it goes in your direction, you've made profit. If it goes against you, which means you have lost it. All right. So let's move on to the next aspect. This one requires technical analysis and in-depth market analysis. If you don't have much knowledge about futures trading, make sure you seek for mentorship, someone to mentor you. If you understand what you are doing, you are good to go. All right. So after that of the futures trading, we are going to that of the wallet section. All right. So when you come to that of the wallet section, we're having overview, we're having spot, we're having funding, we're having in, and we're having features and that of the margin. All right. So when you come here, overview gives you the summation of all the wallet segments you are having in the Binance wallet. All right, so it will add all your earnings or all your coins value in your spot wallet, in your funding wallet, in your earning wallet, and that of your features wallet, and that of the margin, and to give you the summation of everything right here. Okay, so you will see it just here, and you are good to go. All right, so when you want to buy any crypto, you just click on buy and it will send you to the buy option. If you want to deposit, just click on deposit and it will send you to the deposit menu. When you come here, we are having about 5 or 6 menu over here. We're having spot trading, we're having spot wallet, we're having funding wallet, we're having in wallet, we're having the features, and we're having the margin. All right. So let's take a look at that of the spot. So spots are coins that are currently in your spot wallet. All right. So it will display all the coins that you are having in your wallet. So when you scroll down, you can see balance, and it will give you all the coins you are having in your wallet currently. When it comes to funding, fundings are the coins you are ready to sell on the P2P exchange, or if you buy your coin using the P2P exchange, you'll be seeing that of the coin at the funding option. When you come to the funding option, it's not that much secure for your coin to be there. It's advisable you transfer it from that of the funding wallet to your spot wallet. So this is what you do. When you come to that of your funding wallet, you click on transfer. All right. So when you click on transfer over here like this, it will ask you from funding to where. Then we are moving to that of the spot wallet. All right. So you click on spot wallet and it will select for you and to ask you the coin. So this is where you select the coin you want to transfer from your funding wallet to the spot wallet. So you just select the coin over here. So after selecting the coin, you'll be able to transfer this coin to that of your spot wallet. So it will ask you the allocation whether you want to select, or if you select max, it will select all the coins for you. If you can decide also to select a portion to send it to that of your spot wallet, and you are good to go. All right, and that's the of the in. The in section are some of the coins you have placed at the in section, which will be earning profit on them on daily basis. All right, so it will display the value of the coins you are having there at the top right here. Thank you very much. If you have any question or there's something confusing you about the Binance platform, you can hit me at the comment section and I will attend to you. You can share this video with your friends and families who are new to crypto or the Binance app, and they will have value about the exchange as well. Have a wonderful day and remain blessed. If there's anything to you can hit me at the comment section and I'll attend to you. Bye.